Hey guys, Flight Sim Jammer here, and in the video of getting the TPM set up, I said I had to make a little spacer for the mixture to make it just a couple inches, no, not inches, a couple millimeters taller. I think I'm gonna go a full we'll do 4 millimeters taller, and I just thought it'd be good to show you how to do it. My webcam is down, so therefore you won't be able to see my face, but it's okay. Remember what the first things that we do are? The very first thing is we hit save, and this is a new thing. So we're gonna drag this up and go to new project and call this, actually, it might not let me do it now. TPM rebuild. TPM rebuild. Okay, and this is mixture spacer YouTube. Click save. We have our check mark, and we can continue on. Okay, next thing we do is front face. We are going to make a center rectangle, and we are going to make it, it is 10 millimeters tall, and it's actually 15 tall and 10 wide. So that's 10 and this is 15. That looks right. And click go. We're going to do one more in there. This is the nice thing about doing this is it is going to show you how easy it is to create a part that you need. Okay, so the space in there is 10 by, it looks like 2. It's really small. So hey, look, it's already at 10. And well, I don't know what the chances of that happening ever again, but there you go. So now, finish sketch, extrude just this, and we are going to go 4 millimeters, hit OK, and look, our part is ready. He does have a little bit of a fillet on it. You notice that you can click right through the walls there. It's pretty cool. Okay. Let's go 0.25. Let's just see what 1 does. I'm okay with that, actually. Spin around, make sure she's good. Okay. And we actually want that tight, so I'm not going to do it. We might have to make this 3 millimeters wide by 10. We're going to try it first and see if it fits. I'll slip it over the mixture slider and see if it's good. But okay, save. 3D print. Preview. Export. Oof. Mixture spacer. I'm glad I caught that. There we go. Save. Save. Click. TPM parts. Spacer. Slapper on there. Zoom in. Okay, so I don't want to print it that way because then I would need supports in there. So I'm just going to throw it on the ground. And in 10 minutes, at a cost of not even a penny, we should have our parts. One, good, done, boom. So I had to stop and set up a microphone after I hit record, and I'm still at 6 minutes and 20 seconds from scratch. So, all right. I will also throw up the time lapse of it printing this part, and we'll go from there. You guys, hope you enjoy this. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you're seeing these shorts on YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, please head on over to our YouTube page and click subscribe there. It helps channel a bunch. You guys have a great day, and remember, land safely.